Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hopefully everyone's having a great day today. Today we're going to be working on my Civic over here. Got a 2005 Honda Civic Si. And we're going to be installing some of these new Auxito LED light bulbs. This is their new series they have. These are for the high beams and these are for the low beams. But we can't be putting these amazing LEDs into these crusty headlights. So what we're going to do is gonna wet sand these, get them looking fresh, and then we'll install the Auxito LEDs. Alright, let's get these opened up, see how they look like. These are the low beams. They are 905. Oh, they give you a pair of gloves now, so you don't touch the bulbs. So these are the same style I was running in my Integra. Same series, and then let's get these brand new ones opened up. And the high beams are 906. Look at those. I'm gonna leave them in the package until I get ready to install them. But yeah, you can save yourself 15% on any Auxito LEDs. Link will be down in the description below. Use coupon code CZMATE. I got my table set up. I just picked up this from Harbor Freight. I use 500, then I go to 1000, then 1200. Wet sand, got a little bit of water right there, sand it down. You guys seen me do this before, so it'll just be a little fast little time lapse getting these both done, and then we will install the headlights. Alright, got the headlights looking fresh. Check these out. They look brand new. Actually, I never realized that it had the black housing on the inside. It looks really, really good. Now, these are worthy of some of these Auxito LEDs. So let's get these installed, and then tonight we can check them out. Alright, got the passenger side done, had the most room. Might remove the battery over here. It's a real tight fit though. I don't know if you can see, if it'll focus. But you can see right here, the low beam. I got it to go in. I think it's twisted in all the way. It doesn't move when I pull on it or anything. But you got the piece of the frame right here that's hitting on. I don't know if it'll focus. You can see the fan right there. It's a pretty tight fit. But I got this side done. This is what I pulled out of it. This was the high beams. The high beams on this one suck bad. You couldn't even tell that they were on, really. But here's a comparison. The Auxito on the right and the one I pulled out. Not sure what brand it is. Also had this big box right here, ballast or something. Converter. And then here is the low beam I pulled out. And the aux beam. So I'll change this off camera and then tonight we'll go check it out. Okay, on the high beams, one thing I forgot to mention, I was fighting with it, but This black O-ring right here is too thick, but they do send you a thinner one right here, the red one. So all you have to do is replace this. Just pull the black one off and replace it with the red one, and it will fit perfectly. Alright, it's nighttime. Drove out a little bit to get away from the lights. It's a little bit darker out here than my house, so let's check out these LEDs. Look how bright these are. And this is just the low beam, so I haven't tried the high beams yet. So let's give it a try. Dang. Just so bright. Dang. Alright, so low beams, high beams, and I forgot one last thing. Fog lights. There we go. I do want to change these bulbs out too. I used to like the yellow, but I think I want to go white, so it's all white. But dang, that looks so good. Thank you again, Auxito, for sending me out these LED bulbs. If you guys would like to get your own Auxito bulbs for any application, link will be down in the description below. Also use code CZMATE to save 15% off your purchase. That's going to wrap up for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave a thumbs up, comment anything down below, and until next time, peace out. In the middle of filming this, I got an air package. Next video.